Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add how to copy the link of your post on your Tumblr application. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to copy the post link on the Tumblr application, just going to show. For an example, just need to copy this poll link. So just click on the three dot option, and here you have this option called copy link. You can directly copy or click on the share option. So now you have a 3-4 option on the top. You either have the first option called copy, click on this copy. Now you can see it's copied to the clipboard. Otherwise you can click on the three dot and you can just copy the link. So you can see now I just going to paste the same link here. So you can see the Tumblr poll link has been pasted here. I just can post it again too. So this is how you just copy the post link of your Tumblr post on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.